In heaven.
V nebesih.
In heaven, I'm going to have a new body.
Ko bom v nebesih, bom imel novo telo.
Can't wait for heaven.
Komaj čakam, da pridem v nebesa.
And my mum and dad used to talk about heaven.
In moja oče in mati sta pogosto govorila o nebesih.
Used to tell me God loves me.
In sta mi rekla, da me Bog ljubi.
But I didn't believe it.
Ampak nisem jima verjel.
I wasn't depressed all my childhood.
Jaz nisem bil depresiven vse svoje otroštvo.
But it was just hard to be thankful.
Ampak težko je biti hvaležen.
You know, everybody else has arms and legs, including my brother and my sister.
Veste, vsi drugi so imeli roke in noge, vključujoč mojega brata in sestro.
But I was never so thankful for my foot as to when I was playing football.
Ampak nikoli prej nisem bil tako hvaležen za to mojo nogico, dokler nisem enkrat igral nogomet.
I was playing soccer one day.
Nekega dne sem igral nogomet.
And when you have a full-size soccer ball next to me,
in ko položiš nogometno žogo poleg mene,
it's halfway my height.
je polovico mojega telesa.
And so if it hits me,
torej, če me taka žoga zadane,
it's going to hurt me bad. It's going to be dangerous.
me bo zelo bolelo, v bistvu bo zelo nevarno.
So my friend was way back there and he was ready to kick it to me.
Moj prijatelj je bil daleč proč na igrišču in se je pripravljal, da brcne žogo.
And he says, "Are you
In
ready?"
je rekel, ali si pripravljen? Sem
Yes!
rekel, ja.
I was really nervous.
Bil sem precej nervozen,
My palms were sweaty
dlani so se mi potile,
and my knees were shaking.
kolena so se mi tresla.
And he gets ready like this.
In pripravljal se je takole
And he goes,
in enkrat brcnil.
this ball coming right for me.
In ta žoga je prihajala proti meni
And I didn't know what to do.
in jaz nisem vedel, kaj naj storim.
But you know that feeling that you get that just no matter where you go,
Ampak veste, ta občutek, ki ga dobiš, da ne glede na katero stran boš šel,
it doesn't matter, it's going to get you.
ni pomembno, ker te bo žoga v vsakem primeru zadela.
So I decided to hit the ball before the ball hit me.
Torej, odločil sem se, da bom zadev žogo, predno žoga zadane
Okay,
mene.
maybe I can headbutt it,
Mogoče bi lahko udaril z glavco,
but it's a bit too low.
ampak je prenizko.
Maybe I can kick it, but it's a bit too high.
Mogoče bi lahko brcnil, ampak je previsoko.
Have you seen the Matrix film?
Ali ste videli film Matrica?
I felt like I went into slow motion.
Zdelo se mi je, kot da sem v počasnem posnetku.
And I went, ooh, like this. And while I jumped up in
In ko
the
sem
air,
takole skočil v zrak,
I did a Karate Kid kick.
sem naredil karate udarec.
And it went, like this. Hvala. And the ball came,
In žoga je priletela.
and hit my foot,
Žoga je priletela
Bent it-
direktno v mojo nogo
bent it backwards,
in jo zvila nazaj.
and it heard like,
In zaslišal sem.
and I was like, very good.
Thank you.
Dobro radiš. Okay. I sprained my foot.
In zvil sem si nogo.
I need this so much.
Veste, jaz tole nogo zelo potrebujem.
I love my foot.
Jaz ljubim svojo
So does
nogo.
my dog.
Ravno tako tudi moj pes.
He bites it,
Jo grizlja
have to push, hit him in
in
the head.
potem dobi udarec v glavo.
But I have two toes.
Ampak imam dva prsta.
Peace.
Peace.
I don't know how much you use your arms and legs,
Ne vem, kolikšni meri vi uporabljate svoje roke in noge,
but that's how much I use this for.
ampak za vse to uporabljam jaz svojo nogo,
Walking,
da hodim,
I don't know, typing,
tipkam,
swimming.
plavam.
But just getting out of bed is hard without my foot.
Že samo vstati iz moje postelje je težko brez te moje noge.
I felt disabled for the very first time.
In takrat sem se prvič v življenju počutil omejenega.
And I realized just how much I need this.
In takrat sem se šele zavedal, kako močno potrebujem to
Every day
nogo.
we have a choice.